back to my channel. So today I'm continuing with our series, what to do in your 20s, or how to make your 20s count. I hope you watched the first video. In case you missed it, please go to the most recent uploads and then you will see the video. It will be in your face. You see it, you won't miss it, so you can catch up and we're on the same page. So let's dive straight into the video. For those of you who are in class, I brought notes with me. So first and foremost, the first thing you should do if you're in your 20s, please, if you can afford it, travel as much as you can. Explore, be an adventurist, be an explorer, for all I care. Travel however much you want and go to different places so that you can get acquainted of all the cultures that are around you and the different people, you know. And if you can't really travel out of your country, then it's okay, you can start with your country, okay? I believe there must be something worth traveling to see in your country, wherever you might be, so you can start from there and then go from there, okay? It's a process. You don't wake up one day and become an explorer. No, it's a process. So yeah, travel, start with baby steps until you make it, okay? Until you become that go-to person when it comes to travel, okay? And if you can't afford traveling at all, please ensure that, or if you don't like traveling, because there are people who don't like traveling, so yeah, but you should ensure that you enlarge your circle, because one of the perks of traveling is that you get to meet new people, you get to know new places and different, you get to experience different things and different cultures basically. So the other way you can have some of those perks without actually traveling is through social networking. Social networking is a great way to enhance your social life. Do I make myself clear? It's a great way to enhance your social life, in that you have, I know you have parties in your girl groups, in your boy groups, in your society, social gatherings, church gatherings, mosque gatherings, mosque gatherings. So all forms of religion that I know usually have gatherings in some sort of way or another. So make sure you engage yourself in one of them, okay? And get to know people, socialize. Next point. Actually, before we get to the next point, it's about who you know and who knows you in this world. Other than that, you won't get far. You will not get far. It's about who you know. So next point, for real, next point, educate yourself. I don't mean go back to school 1,000 times. Hell no. Some people do not want to go and get another kind of formal education, like upgrading to go to get like that second degree, to get that master's, to get that diploma, to get that certificate. No, that is not some people's lives, okay? And I understand it completely, but you should educate yourself. What do I mean? Educate yourself in a way that you get to learn new skills. Learning new skills doesn't require you to go back to school. Basically, you can just approach whoever you want to approach, whatever skill you want to learn. If that person possesses it, then you can approach them and they teach it to you one-on-one. Don't necessarily need to go back to school to get that, okay? Learn a new language. There are apps for that. Google it. Free apps at that. So learn a new language, expand your horizons. That's what I'm basically trying to tell you. Expand your horizons as far as you can go, okay? Very important, very, very important, guys. Also, there are also these online courses. You can take one of them and they certify you in a month. What are you waiting for? Next, the other thing, interesting, I know all of you are waiting for this, debt. Guys, if you're in your 20s, debt. Yeah, so debt as much as you can, so that you can be able to experience all sorts of people's opinions. Let me put it like that, because you'll be in a better position to judge the kind of person that you want to stay with the rest of your life if you have variety to choose from. So I make sense. Debt. I haven't said go in a whole phase. I haven't said go in a whole phase, bro. Like, I haven't said go in a whole phase, sis. Okay, dating doesn't really require you to personally be engaged with these people's lives, like on a very close basis. No, it doesn't involve that. So I think it's healthy to date people. Okay, date whoever you want, however many they are. At the same time, it doesn't matter, you're just dating, just looking at the possibility of you two being together. It's not that serious. Don't take life too seriously, because no one else does. Okay, so with those few tips, I hope you've gotten those points across. I hope I've gotten those points across into your heads, and I hope they stick and you practice them. And with the last point of dating, please don't have intercourse with these people. It's not really worth it until you get the person that you're going to choose, that you're going to literally be with the rest of your life. Okay, and until you've walked down the aisle, I think it's the best decision that you will make if you're in your 20s and you haven't already gone off the road. So you have that option. Please stick to it. It's not worth it. I'm telling you, it is not. Please, 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 it's not. So stick to your principles, stick to your priorities, and prioritize yourself at all times. All times. That's it, guys. And with those few words, please, I wish you the best in your endeavors and whatever. So yeah, see you in the next one. We have 2 more to go, if you didn't know. Bye.